I created this channel 4 months before and it's now having more than 16,000 subscribers. And it got more than 10,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. So let's see what are the things I did to grow this channel. The secret for this kind of growth is YouTube Shorts. I just uploaded 4 to 5 YouTube Shorts every week for the first 3 months and suddenly one of my YouTube Shorts just got blown up and it's now having more than 1 million views. I got more than 5,000 subscribers from that single video alone, and after getting some subscribers I decided to upload regular videos. And those videos also got some views and now I'm having more than 16,000 subscribers. The reason why YouTube Shorts are so successful is because they are getting more than 15 billion views every single day. That's almost twice the population of our Earth. YouTube Shorts are introduced in 2020. Even many content creators are entered into YouTube Shorts. The competition for YouTube Shorts are still kinda low. So I strongly recommend you to start with YouTube Shorts if you are looking to start your own YouTube channel or trying to grow your existing YouTube channel. After getting some subscribers and viewers, then try to upload regular videos.